Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is just going to be fun makeup. It has been a very busy week for me. I had gutters put up on the house, I had dentist appointment, I published my first Amazon ebook, I went to my neuro doctor today, so it's a lot of stuff happening, but I am well. I am sending love and light to you. I hope you are well. Someone who loves me so much sent me gifts. And they are the, what they call them, the Bridgeton people. I guess it's on Netflix because on the back say Netflix. I got this. That's the packaging. And the palette looks exactly like the packaging on the outside. And this is the highlighter. So I got this, which it is so pretty. So beautiful. Cute. It's embossed on there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can see it. Here we see it, the embossment. And then the palette. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much, my friend, for sending me these gifts. I appreciate it. I love it. I'll be using it. Okay, now we are ready to create an eyeshadow look. I think I'll make a simple eyeshadow look. If anyone out there is having a tough day, I hope my voice, my playing in makeup will give you a little encouragement to do something, because every day is not as beautiful as we want it, but we have to create and make it something we want, because some days are tough. Nobody have perfect days. Don't buy that from anyone. I have troubles, you have troubles, but it's how we manage our troubles that makes us keep moving forward. With that said, I am ready to play in makeup. Get your palette out. Let's have a little makeup fun. Hey Didi, I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am ready to play. As usual, it's the same story. Never know what's going to be on my eyes, but we are playing. So I think I'll start with a shimmer. I have Makeup Revolution Eye Base on. It doesn't look too good, but I'll go with that. So I'm gonna use this color right here. It's a shimmer. So I'll start with that and we'll just move on to the next thing. I hope everyone is okay. I truly hope everyone is okay. And if not, and you need help, please seek help. Do not suffer in silence. Again, my new book, my new ebook is on Amazon. Go check it out. Check it out and tell me what you think. If you want to know a little bit more about me and how I grew up and where I grew up from age 0 to 13, check that book out. It is, a little book I put together just so people can know a little bit more about me. It should be a very nice read. So read it, leave me a review on Amazon, let me know. Okay, this is my eyes, but I think I'll go a little higher. I'll put a link of my Amazon store for the book. So you can go check it out. There'll be a link in the description. Yeah, to me. Yeah. I am back with the look for today. I used a shimmer underneath and then I put a matte over it. So it's almost like a one color eyeshadow look with a little sparkle, but that is it. And I take the blue eyeshadow and put underneath my lash line. I took the blue eyeshadow in the palette and use it as a lower lash line eyeliner. And I'm using everything from Shop My Stash for me. I have not changed anything new. I am liking this little highlighter on my side of my face. It is the Hourglass one, which is the little sample size. And so far I am loving it. I'll only buy the sample size because the prices of this stuff are expensive. But we are going to read our quote for today. And we will see what section are we in. We are in the section that says cherish your friends. Cherish your friends. Your friends are important to you. Okay, and glasses. Where are my glasses? Glasses. Quote for today. We are all travelers in the wilderness of this world. And the best we can find in our travels is an honest friend. Robert Louis Stevenson, that's his quote. He said, "We are all travelers in the wilderness of this big, great, wide world. And the best we can find in our travels is an honest friend." Be honest. It is easier to be honest than to pretend and to lie, because lying only makes the situation worse. An honest friend is to be cherished. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you soon in another video. Again, please go visit my Amazon store because I have published an ebook. If you want to know a little bit, if you want to know where I was born and where I grew up, well, the first part, the first early stages, check out that book. Leave me an honest review. I appreciate that very much. I appreciate you. You go out and live your life and cherish your honest friends. And if you have friends you realize that are not honest, just confront them and say, you know what, it will be easy if you tell me the truth than to tell me a lie, because the truth, I might get mad in the beginning, but I'll learn how to navigate that and I'll appreciate that you told me. Again, I am saying bye. See you soon. See you soon. Oh, and yes, I cut my hair. I cut it. Not too short. Now it's just shrink. But I did cut it. Right? See you all. Live your life. Have fun. Yeah, yeah,